Today I'm going to show you how to remove your Ring Video Doorbell Pro. So first of all, you want to get a Phillips screwdriver if you still have the screwdriver supplied when you installed it, or if you didn't install it, maybe you don't have it, but it just takes a standard Phillips screwdriver, put it on the bottom left hand side, and undo that screw. Oh, it dropped on me. I'll have to grab it when we pick it up. Then you want to remove the faceplate, and it pulls straight off. There we go. And then there'll be two screws on top and bottom, both Phillips. So we'll go ahead and remove those. And there we go. We've gotten those off. Now you want to take the wires off of the actual Ring Video Doorbell. It's the ones that are labeled on the terminals. If you happen to use the supplied wiring, then they're going to be looped, and you just unscrew them like so. You want to be careful not to touch the wire on the other terminal while you're unscrewing it, so we'll just move it out of the way. And I can get that screw off of there. Anyways, I will do that later. We'll take the plate off. You just want to make sure that these wires aren't touching each other, because this goes back to your transformer. So we'll just keep them away from each other. If you've got some electrical tape, you may want to stick it around the ends. And that's it. Thanks for watching.